In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Whiteboard 2025. We'll start in Microsoft Whiteboard. Head to the official Microsoft Whiteboard page or open the Whiteboard app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, use the download option on the site or continue in your browser. When Whiteboard opens, choose Open Whiteboard, create a new board, and start with a blank canvas so everything is clean and easy to arrange. On your canvas, look along the toolbar and select View More options. From there, choose Add Image. If you only see Add Image and not a direct PowerPoint option, that's expected in many setups. It just means we'll convert the slides to images first, then place them on the board. Now switch to PowerPoint and open the presentation you want to use. Go to File, choose Export, and then select Change File Type. Pick either PNG or JPEG as your format. PNG usually gives you crisp text and sharp diagrams. JPEG can be slightly smaller in file size, which helps if you're adding a lot of slides. Click Save, and choose a folder you can find easily. When prompted, export all slides so each slide becomes its own image. If your version of PowerPoint lets you choose resolution, the default works well, but higher resolution will keep details sharp when you resize on the board. With the images saved, return to Whiteboard. Open, Add Image again, navigate to the folder where you exported the slides, and select the files. You can often select multiple images at once to bring in a whole deck. If your file picker doesn't support multi-select, add them one by one. Whiteboard will place the images on your canvas in the order you add them. Arrange your slides by dragging them into position. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the original proportions and rotate if needed. To keep your workspace tidy, line up slides in rows or columns and leave space between them for annotations. You can draw on top with ink, highlight key points, or drop sticky notes beside each slide for comments and questions. If your version supports it, keeping images in place while you annotate can make collaboration smoother and prevent accidental moves. And that's it. You opened a new whiteboard, used Add Image, and when a direct PowerPoint import wasn't available, you exported your deck to PNG or JPEG and added those images to the canvas. It's a quick, reliable workflow that preserves the look of your slides and makes live annotation effortless. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part as you practice this on your own boards.